Low-carb electrolyte drink recipe, DIY keto and sugar-free. Hey keto crew, ditch those overpriced, sugar-laden electrolyte drinks and whip up this refreshing, DIY powerhouse in minutes. This low-carb, sugar-free recipe is bursting with essential electrolytes to combat keto flu, boost energy, and keep you hydrated on your keto journey. Ingredients: makes 1 liter, serves 2 to 3. 1 liter, 4 cups, water or unsweetened sparkling water, for fizz ½ teaspoon pink Himalayan salt or sea salt. 1/4 teaspoon potassium citrate or cream of tartar, source of potassium 1/8 teaspoon magnesium citrate, optional, aids muscle recovery 2 tablespoons fresh lemon or lime juice, for tartness and vitamin C 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar-free sweetener, optional, adjust to taste, monk fruit sweetener, stevia drops, or erythritol. Cucumber slices, mint leaves, berries, optional, for added flavor and vitamins. Instructions. 1. Gather your ingredients. Make sure all your measurements are precise, especially the electrolytes. 2. Dissolve the electrolytes, add the salt, potassium citrate / cream of tartar, and magnesium citrate, if using, to the water. Stir until fully dissolved, ensuring no grittiness remains. 3. Add the tang, squeeze in the fresh lemon or lime juice for a refreshing zesty kick. 4. Sweeten it up, optional, if you prefer a sweeter drink, add your chosen sweetener 1 tablespoon at a time, tasting after each addition until you reach your desired level. Monk fruit sweetener and stevia drops are typically keto-friendly options. 5. Infuse with flavor, elevate your drink with optional add-ins like cucumber slices, mint leaves, or berries. These infuse the water with subtle flavors and offer additional vitamins and antioxidants. 6. Chill and enjoy. Serve your DIY electrolyte drink immediately over ice for a cool and refreshing boost, or store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Tips and tricks. Adjust the electrolytes. This recipe is a good starting point, but you can personalize it based on your needs. Consult a doctor or nutritionist for specific recommendations, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Spice it up. Feeling adventurous? Experiment with different flavor combinations. Add a slice of ginger for a spicy kick, or muddle a few raspberries for a sweet tart surprise. Get fizzy. If you prefer a bubbly drink, use unsweetened sparkling water instead of plain water. Travel friendly. Make a concentrated version of this recipe by doubling the electrolytes and sweetener, then diluting it with water or sparkling water when you're ready to drink. Conquer the keto flu, stay hydrated, and keep your energy levels soaring with this customizable, low-carb powerhouse. So ditch the store-bought stuff and get creative with your own refreshing electrolyte blend. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more awesome keto tips and tricks.